Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are well and safe at home. Now today we are going to see the explanation of class 10th from the book Footprints Without Feet, first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. Now here I am going to explain you the summary in a point form, and I'll explain the points in detail. The first point is Tricky's illness. Now here Tricky is a dog. Okay, the narrator of the story is Mr. Harriet. He is a veterinary surgeon. He was really worried about the dog. He was worried about Tricky. He was shocked to see it with its mistress. Mr. Harriet was shocked to see with mistress, who was Mrs. Pomfrey. It had become hugely fat. Its eyes has become red. Whose eyes? Tricky's eyes, the dog. Its tongue came out from its jaws. It was in a state of disease. That means he was not well. ठीक है, तो dogs का क्या होता है? If they are not well or if they have died, their tongue come out from their mouth basically. So same thing was there, that he was not feeling well. He needed some treatment. Second is Tricky's mistress made Tricky ill. The mistress of the dog was Mrs. Pomfrey. She told Mr. Harriet that the dog seemed to have no energy. Means Mrs. Pomfrey, who was the mistress of Tricky, told Mr. Harriet that he is not having any energy. So she gave it more malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks to give energy to the dog. जैसे हम लोग में अगर हमारी मदर जो होती हैं, if we are not feeling well, तो she used to give extra things to get energy. In the same way, she gave malt, cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. She also gave it some cream cakes and chocolates. Despite Harriet's refusal. Means Harriet was a veterinary who takes care of animals, the doctor of animals. So he has refused to give such things to him. But Mrs. Pomfrey has given Tricky these things so that he can get energy. It was a rich diet. Rich diet means according to the diet of a dog. Rich diet means बहुत ओवर वाली डाइट जो भारी करती है. हम लोग भी अगर बहुत ज़्यादा रिच खा लेते हैं तो हम लोग का पेट खराब हो जाता है. इन द सेम वे ट्रिकी हैड a rich diet. Next is Harriet's warning to Mrs. Pomfrey. Warning means बोलना, ये करना है, अब नहीं करना है. Harriet looked at the dog again. Its big trouble was that it had become greedy. Greedy means lalchi. Mrs. Pomfrey was giving such rich things to him to eat, so he also had become greedy. It did not refuse food. Harriet asked Mrs. Pomfrey if she had been giving the dog plenty of exercise. Means Mr. Harriet asked Mrs. Pomfrey that whether she was giving more food many times. She said she had not. She denied. She said, no, I have not given. Harriet warned her if she didn't cut its food and give it more physical exercise. Means suppose we also, if we eat too much daily and we will not, if we do not do any exercises or if we do not do any physical work, then we will become fatter and fatter day by day. In the same way, he was saying that if she didn't cut its food, means if she will not lessen the amount of food and give it more physical exercise and let him move outside, play outside, it would be really ill. If she is not going to listen to Mr. Harriet, then Tricky has to face illness. She said that he was right, but it was difficult for her. एक तरफ उसे कहा, yes, you are, or yes, whatever you are saying is right, but it is difficult. Now, next is Tricky to be in hospital. Within next few days, Mrs. Pomfrey told Harriet that Tricky didn't eat anything. After some time, when Mr. Harriet had came and seen the Tricky condition, after some time he has stopped eating. So she informed Mr. Harriet. It refused to eat even its favorite dishes. It spent all its time lying panting, means sust pade rehna, because he was not eating anything. The narrator had made his plans in advance. Means the Mr. Harriet has made a plan that what to do with this dog. He suggested that Tricky should be hospitalized for about fortnight. Means he said this that Tricky has to be admitted in the hospital. The lady almost became unconscious. उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. She was sure that it would die if he did not see it. Now Mrs. Pomfrey was thinking this thing that if Mr. Harriet will not see him, he will die. Next point, Tricky in hospital. Now here Tricky was admitted in the hospital. The narrator took the dog in his car. Mrs. Pomfrey gave Tricky's belongings like bed, cushions, toys, various bowls, coats, etc. Means she has taken those things which were needed in the hospital. At the hospital, Tricky looked down at other dogs. They sniffed around it and ignored it. ठीक है, अब वो कहाँ वेट में चले गए. वेट इज अ प्लेस वेयर एनिमल्स आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. सो इन अदर वर्ड यू कैन से he went to the vet where other dogs were also there. So all the dogs came and sniffed, सूंघा उसको, and they went away. Next is Tricky's treatment. The narrator kept an eye on Tricky for 2 days. Keep an eye means उसको watch किया regularly, his activities, what he was doing. He gave it plenty of water but no food. What he did? He gave water and water except food, because Mrs. Pomfrey has already given him a lot of rich food which created problem for him. On the third day it started whimpering on seeing other dogs. Okay, whimpering means he started making some noises. He started communicating with other dogs. It followed them down the garden. Means Tricky started following other dogs wherever they go. Later that day, other dogs had their food. When they had finished, Tricky walked around the bowls. Means all the other dogs were getting food on their own time, but Tricky was not given. So when the other dogs have eaten, he was going round those bowls in which the other dogs have eaten. He also licked them. It meant he was hungry. It was given some food. Licking the bowls showed the report that Tricky was also hungry. So Mr. Harriet has given some amount of food for him to eat. Next point is Tricky shows improvement. After 2 days, when Mr. Harriet has not given him any food, he was only dependent on water. So after getting some treatment, he was showing the improvement in him. Tricky started to show progress. It was given no medicinal treatment. He was not given any medicine. It ran about with the dog all day. It discovered the joy of being with other dogs. Means the improvement was this, that his activity has changed. He started playing with the other dogs. Meanwhile, Mrs. Pomfrey continued ringing regularly. Ringing means Mrs. Pomfrey was at her own place, but she called Mr. Harriet to know the condition of Tricky. She asked various questions about Tricky, but the narrator told her that the dog was out of danger. Now here, Mr. Harriet has told Mrs. Pomfrey that the dog was out of danger. Means the problem is bit solved. Next is when Tricky becomes all right. Mrs. Pomfrey started to bring round fresh eggs to build up Tricky's health. Again, she started giving him rich diet. The narrator began giving Tricky wine before and during the meal. Means जो जैसे हम लोग की तबीयत खराब होती तो पहले या बाद में हम लोग को दवाई पीनी होती, उसी तरीके से he was drinking medicine, tonics. The dog began to drink brandy also. Now here the dog has started drinking brandy. Brandy is a form of wine. Tricky now had one extra egg in the morning. It had wine at noon and brandy in the evening. After a fortnight, the narrator rang up saying the dog was all right. Now, after giving some treatments of wine and brandy and the other parts, the dog was now okay. Next is Mrs. Pomfrey comes to take Tricky home. Mrs. Pomfrey arrived at the narrator's surgery in a big car. She asked him if the dog was better. Now here she wanted to know the recent information about the Tricky, that whether he is okay or not. The narrator told her that the dog was fine. He would bring it to her. When Tricky saw its mistress, it ran into Mrs. Pomfrey's lap. मतलब डॉग्स की क्या आदत होती है, जब वो अपने ओनर से कई दिन के बाद मिलते हैं तो they show their love on jumping at them. So in the same way, he jumped on the lap of Mrs. Pomfrey. When Tricky saw its mistress, it ran into Mrs. Pomfrey's lap. It began licking her face and barking out of love. Next point is Tricky's cure, a triumph of surgery. The narrator helped the driver to bring out Tricky's various things. The other things which were put there in the hospital, he put out everything. These were Tricky's bed, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls. They had not been used. Now, as Mrs. Pomfrey has put the things for Tricky comfort, but nothing was needed. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pomfrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. She told the narrator that it was a triumph of surgery. Why the tears was there in Mrs. Pomfrey's eye? Because of seeing that the treatment which was given to Tricky was good and he is okay. ठीक है, जैसे हमारे घर में अगर मान लीजिए कोई बीमार पड़ता है और हम उसको किसी के अंडर में केयर करते हैं तो वी आर थैंकफुल टू दैट पर्सन. In the same way, Mrs. Pomfrey, in the form of when the tears were coming out, we can feel that she was thankful to Mr. Harriet that the surgery which was given to Tricky was good and now Tricky was well. Now we will see the highlights of the main points. First is James Harriet meets Mrs. Pomfrey with her pet dog Tricky and feels concerned at Tricky's poor health. He has become fat like sewage. Now here the first point tells it that when Mr. Harriet met Mrs. Pomfrey with the dog who was poor at health, he saw that Tricky became fat. Second is James Harriet advises Mr. Pomfrey to put Tricky on a strict diet, as she was giving more food, rich food to him. So Mr. Harriet said this, don't give him that much food. Third point, but Mrs. Pomfrey continues feeding Tricky with a rich diet as she looks at him like her own son. Now here Mrs. Pomfrey was not wrong because she treats him like his own son. तो जैसे हम अपने बच्चों को हम जिनको चाहते हैं उनको अपना सब कुछ देना चाहते हैं, तो in the same way she was giving Tricky rich food. Fourth point, Mrs. Pomfrey calls James Harriet for the help as Tricky's health is deteriorating. Means Tricky was not feeling good, she called Harriet. Fifth, Harriet decides to put Tricky in a surgery for the fortnight. Sixth point, Pomfrey and her other helpers are in tears when Tricky is taken to the surgery. Means जैसे नॉर्मली जो हमारा चाहता है अगर वो बीमार है और उसको सर्जरी के लिए जाए तो सब घबराते हैं एंड देन टीयर्स कम आउट ऑफ आवर आईज. इन द सेम वे Pomfrey and other helpers, the tears were there in their eyes when they kept Tricky in the hospital. Harriet puts Tricky on a strict diet in a way. He is not given any food, but put it on a strict regularity of diet. Now here, Mr. Harris has not given him food for 2 days. On the third day, when he saw that he was hungry, he gave him a particular diet which was needed for him. Next point is, Harriet starts giving Tricky food as his health improves. Okay, according to his health, Mr. Harriet used to give him food. Next point, Mrs. Pomfrey feels relaxed to know that Tricky is slowly improving. She sends eggs, wine and brandy for Tricky to help him regain his health. Now she has given eggs and brandy for Tricky to improve. Next is, Harriet, his helpers and Tricky enjoyed these food items. Now everyone enjoyed these food items. Next, very soon Tricky became hard muscles and active again. This shows that he was improving day by day. He was feeling good day by day. Next point, Harriet calls Mrs. Pomfrey to collect Tricky after he became healthy again. He calls Mrs. Pomfrey to take him back home. Next point, the meeting between Mrs. Pomfrey and Tricky is highly emotional. Yes, because he has jumped out of love on Mrs. Pomfrey lap and he licked, usko lick kiya, and he was barking out of joy. He was not barking to bite Mrs. Pomfrey. Out of love, he was barking at Mrs. Pomfrey. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.